Memorabilia, number 20. Let's do it. Let me get the dice. Hey, yo, dice. All right, couple fresh boxes up top. 1, 2, 3, top box. 4, 5, 6, breaking the bottom. Top box. Top box is number 49. Next box will break after this will be 53. 53. Put that right there. All right, guys. Good luck. It's just base. Corey Perry for the Ducks. For the Anaheim Ducks, CP Corey Perry. Kojo. Must be a big hit in here. And we got an autograph puck. Fanatic certified of Ben Bishop. How's Bishop doing this year? Is he still the backup goalie now? Bishop Fanatics official game puck for the Dallas Stars. He's hurt. Beckett certified of Connor Miggity Mac Daddy for the Oilers. For the Oilers. Miggity Mac Daddy. All right. Let's see who the owners are. Corey Perry going to Hazy. No, I'm just joking. It's Hazy's favorite player. Dallas. Dallas, number 20 is Johnny Tack. Ben Bishop. Then we got Ducks. Ducks is Marty. The shoe. Then we got Oilers. Oh, Dennis Dennis had him in 19. And that is going to Jason. Good old Jay with the Mac Daddy, Connor McDavid.